Hi, my summer friends are still with me and I'm again looking for creative ways to fix this frumpy look and dress to look slimmer. I love the color of this suit as it looks great with the base of my autumn wardrobe, but I must agree I look terrible in it. So my goal today is to elevate this look following easy 5 steps so that at the end I will look at least 10 pounds slimmer and just better. I will keep the same outfit formula for the look, the suit and a pair of sneakers to keep it comfortable and casual. Every clothing piece creates a contour for our body. Double-breasted blazer has that H-shaped contour which creates more of a straight and a bit wider silhouette because of the buttons and additional fabric. And notice how it becomes even more noticeable when I unbutton it. I think it still doesn't do any justice to my figure. So let's swap this out. I will keep the color palette very similar, but the cut. This cut creates more of an hourglass to my body. And as you can tell, it is single-breasted blazer, and simply like that, I create a slightly different silhouette for my body. The neckline makes a big difference as well in proportions, and this high neck doesn't work on me as it really creates quite bulky visual effect on me. So lower neckline and softer color already makes a huge difference in making this outfit more flattering. V neckline helps to elongate the body, and showing off some skin provides visual lightness to this look. And even though I like the top half, the bottom half still looks off. So let's fix that. First of all, I don't like the pleats on these trousers, as I think that it creates additional bulk on the midsection, especially when I'm walking, and I just don't like this effect. Also, they are too short. This length is probably one of the most unflattering for this style. So swapping to these trousers makes the look instantly better. Flat front and slightly different silhouette makes me look thinner and taller. Do you agree? And these trousers just don't create additional bulk to my frame because of the different silhouettes, and also fabric makes a huge difference. I totally love these trousers. I feel so great in them and I move differently, as you can tell. To be very honest, today I had a little bit of greasy hair moments and I literally tried not to make this video, but then I asked myself how I can fix that. And with a special hair wax stick and a very dense brush, everything is possible. So I just simply brush my hair out, put it into ponytail, make sure I have very sleek hair on top, and I just wrap around my hair to this little bun. And greasy hair problem solved. So this step is usually overlooked, but carefully picked accessories can amp up any look. So I started with the bangles, statement glasses, small hoop earrings, and I'm not sure, are we missing something? Maybe just a touch of belt, because I wanted to bring a little bit of more texture and a focal point. And of course, a handbag. And here's important, the smaller the bag, the bigger you will appear next to it. So keep in mind this rule, and I guess that this size and style looks better here and creates a little bit more of a color contrast and visual interest to this look. And here you got it. The final look with better proportions, slimmer looking me, more stylish and youthful and more put together. When you dress better, you really feel better, right? Thank you for watching. Keep shining and stay classy. See you in the next episodes. Ciao, ciao!